So I've been this close not filming this video, but then I was like, you know what, you've been filming this every year, so might as well. I knew it from the moment that I saw. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you can tell it from the title, today's video is gonna be my Spotify 2021 Wrapped. I've been reacting to this thing every single year, so let's do it again, shall we? So of course I have my phone right here. As you can tell, we definitely upgraded this year. Got a beautiful iPhone 11 Pro in gold. Alrighty, here we go. This year was anything but normal. Ready to get into the thick of it? Action. If 2021 was a movie, you were the main character. And what's a movie without a soundtrack? Good question. The opening credit team. Okay, Lola Di Munk, Emanuela Loya. Alright, I did listen to that quite a lot, to be fair. The song playing as you proclaim your love in the rain, forever after all. I love that song. The song playing as a single teardrop into your reflection in the pond, Exile, Taylor Swift. In 2021, you did what you had to do. Playing box fan sound every single night, completely normal. Oh my god, that is a lot listening to music. That's more than 89% of other listeners in Italy. While everyone was trying to figure out what NFTs were, you had one song on repeat. Your top song of the year was L'Urlo di Munk by Emanuela Loya. You played this very reasonable 95 times. Wow. But that wasn't the only song in your rotation. No, surely it wasn't. Top songs, okay. L'Urlo di Munk, quando Dio si è inventata finché le stelle non brillano, indelebile notte stellata. Wait, what? How comes that they're all in Italian? You deserve a playlist as long as your skincare routine. Oh my god. Wait, what? I'm still shocked. In a year like 2021, even your music gets a vibe check. Multidimensional mode. Wait, what? Your audio aurora. Your top music moods are wistful and hopeful. Oh, right. That is interesting. Pink and blue as well. You always understood the assignment. What assignment? You listened to 44 different genres this year. So, top genre: Italian pop, dance pop, pop virale, indie triste, contemporary country. Wait, I can't believe most of them are in Italian. What the heck? Oh well, Gino, you're talking at 3 AM playing music with no lights on you. Let's play Two Truths and a Lie. Okay. Oh, okay. Top default statement. The artist you binge listened to the most was Annalisa. Well, the false one is this. Although I love Annalisa. There was one postcard that lived in your head, rent-free. Yeah, I mean, can you blame me? I was like a nosy bitch all along. You listened to 676 different artists, but things got pretty serious with one. Why is it always him? What the heck? I feel like Taylor Swift released her fucking album this year and like I just didn't pay attention to her at all. Okay, I guess, I don't know, I guess I did have my face with him, but it's always a surprise which one is like my top favorite artist according to Spotify. Top artist. Alright. Emanuela Loya, Taylor Swift, Olsi, Annalisa, Ultimo. Okay, I guess this is kind of accurate, yes. Thanks for making us a regular part of your totally irregular year. Now go forth and proud, share your top tier taste with the world. and this is clearly what I'm doing right now. I definitely go through phases, and Spotify does tell you which songs you listen the most. So yeah, very interesting, can't deny it. It's also crazy that I've been listening to a lot of Italian music this year, but whatever. If you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below which one is your top artist and top song of the year. And other than that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for a brand new video every Friday and a cover every Tuesday. I know we kind of messed up on the cover bits lately, but promise, as 22 comes around, there'll be a new cover every Tuesday. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Only took one look and now I was falling. I knew it from the moment that I saw. Ocean not so deep that I could fall in.